Hey, what's going on, guys? Nate here. Today I'm going to be installing this Hogue hand grip onto my 365XL just to make it a little bit meatier so I can get a little better grip on it. My hands are just slightly too big for this gun, and so just get a nice full grip on it. I think that'll help with some of my issues of my thumb getting in the way of the slide catch too. That happens quite often where I'm holding down the slide catch. So let's do it. So I've learned to oh yeah, it says it in here too, so we're going to want to cut some plastic strips out of the casing to help slide it on grip over grip, remove some of the friction there, and then just cleaning it with some alcohol as well. Okay, so we'll do that. Might as well clean the whole gun while I'm at it. Wipe the whole thing down with some alcohol. Get a nice little wipe down. All right. So we get that. Inside of this as well. Okay, so now that that's clean, let's go ahead and cut some plastic. This thing needs some oil. It's stiff. Nice little knife from knife shop in town. I forget what they're called, but has some badass knives, kitchen knives, everything. So we're going to cut some plastic here. Don't want them too thick. And then we're going to fold these in half. So, get 2 of those. Shazam. All right, should be good with that. And then yeah, guys, and then from there it's just basically using this to help ease it up, ease up the friction, stretch it out, clean it up, and just get on as best as you can. All right, so another thing they said is to warm it up. It's pretty fucking hot today, so I don't think we'll have a problem with it being too cold, and shrinkage shouldn't be a problem today. Might be for me, but not for this. So there's that. Another thing they recommended is a alcohol-based lubricant, such as Windex. So it's not necessarily alcohol just to clean it, but a lubricant. So I'm guessing this here has some lubricant in it, since it has essential oils. The original and the formula homemade one, we put alcohol and then essential oils in here for a little hand sandy. So I'm gonna try this with the oils in it, the essential oils. I'm hoping will help lube it up Let's see. Give it a little finger. Yeah. Spread that. Spread it all over. Be liberal with your lube, guys. It's good for everyone involved. Okay. So now we got it lubed up. We're gonna take one of these in the front, one in the back. And we're gonna use that as our stretchy, slidey assist. All right, let's see how this goes. I don't imagine this will be easy, but let's try to make it as easy as possible. If I go down from bottom, maybe, to hold them in place, so I get them over the top. And then from here, start to stretch and slide. I think we're gonna wanna go back in first. And once we hit it from behind, and try to get the front. Let's see here. Not as easy as I expected, honestly. All right, let's try this. Let's try to start with out and then put those in after we stretch it over the tip. Okay, so I got it over the tip. Now, nope. All right, and I lost it. Okay, let's see if we can. Do one at a time. Okay, let's see here. Let's give it a little stretch. All right, that's a good grip. So I don't feel like it's gonna fall off anymore. Got some decent purchase on there. Now let's see if we can use these after the fact. Once we get our good grip, at least a quarter of the way on. Then just close the slide. Ah, fucker. Okay, let's try again. Okay, that seems to help. Is to finger it from the back side and then kind of push and slide. I think that's kind of universal though. Alrighty, making a little progress. Let's try inserting these from the bottom, see what happens. So, you know what? I'm just gonna say, fuck these little pieces of plastic. Making some progress. Just got another inch. Okay, this seems about as far as I can force it on. Alright, I was able to get the plastic in the back. Let's see if that helps. Making progress. Just about cleared the mag well. Now I just have to, I feel like I'm just making progress now by gripping and really ripping down. Grip it and rip it, you know what they say. And then hopefully I can get this plastic piece out before it's too late. Okay. Fuck yeah. Damn. I think that's where I want it. I'm gonna go. I don't want it too high, it's my finger, right? I want that finger right there to be ergonomic. So, like that. But I also don't want it to have any gap here in the beaver tail. So, you're gonna, ooh, that feels nice. Just that little extra, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch. I like that. I might even pull down a little on the front to line up this with the magwell line. But ooh, yeah, that's nice. I just feel like I have a better grip on it now. I don't feel like I'm just like completely swallowing the whole gun anymore. There it is. It's pretty hot too. I think it's pretty sexy. I like it. There it is. That's the Hogue HandAll for the P365. And I have the XL, so I guess they're the same. Doesn't distinguish between the 365 and the 365XL. But yeah guys, there it is. I'll show you this side. Boom. And I've made videos on installing everything else. The mag release, the slide catch, the takedown lever, the threaded barrel and the micro comp, and then we have the rear plate cover, and then the Swamp Fox optic. So this rear plate sight cover, rear sight plate cover is by NDZ. Gold, We the People. This mag release is also by NDZ. You can see there. And then threaded barrel by True Precision. Micro comp, I think also True Precision. I forget. Takedown lever and mag or slide catch, both by Tyrant. And actually this takedown lever had broke a little piece off on the inside and the internal and locked the trigger, froze the trigger, so I couldn't even move it at all. It was frozen, and took it apart, pulled that piece out. It still works as of now, the takedown lever, but I reached out to Tyrant and they're gonna send me a replacement, so that's super cool. Even though I didn't buy it directly from them, I bought it on eBay, so that's nice of them. Tyrant, yeah, Gucci, black and gold, Sig 365XL, my baby. 12 round regular factory, and then they got this 17 round mags that fit the XL as well. And then I also bought some 20 round mags online. So yeah, there it is guys. Thanks for watching.